I'm Joseph Matashak.
And I'm Isabel Dawson.
And we're here at Collecdev's Experience Center to tell you about a special new development.
Cielo will redefine the Yorkville skyline with its bold presence and eye-catching aesthetic. Integrated into the existing 19th century landmark, the juxtaposed tower is a statement of refined architectural modernism.
This is an exclusive opportunity for the sophisticated real estate collector, those who are in search of a truly sophisticated premium luxury property. For investors, an acquisition like this of premium blue chip Toronto real estate by a builder as strongly financially backed as Collecdev could prove to be a gold mine. As construction costs rise and sites like this become even more scarce, it's prudent for investors to act while costs are still attainable. Premium Yorkville or Annex locations are simply a rarity, and they're considered to be AAA. 300 Bloor Street West is a world-class address. There's an abundance of stability and a level of certainty offered with a product like this in this location. Toronto's highest earning households surround the site, and its location is steps from the University of Toronto and surrounded by the infamous Yorkville shopping district. And with 2 subway lines virtually at your doorstep, anywhere in the GTA is moments away. SuperKey will provide a liaison service throughout the purchase experience. Please visit us at the Collecdev Experience Center to reserve your unit today.
Joseph and myself are available for in-person private consultations at this location. Call us at 416-723-9298 to secure your unit today.